There are many ab roller products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ab rollers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Ab roller wheel. Rating 4.4. A-Linker's AB roller with 4 elbow supports is constructed from super durable steel and premium rubber. Ab rollers made of steel and rubber are highly recommended as they can handle long-term repetitive use without breaking, unlike outdated materials and low-quality plastics that may break and damage within a few days. This roller automatic rebound with 4 elbows supports scientifically correct posture, ensuring the precise engagement of abdominal muscles and distributing the pressure on your wrists. It prevents injuries to the neck, back, and spine. The built-in limit brake system provides stability and safety, making it easy for beginners to get started. Number 4. Harrison ab roller. Rating 4.4. Harrison ab roller for abs workout made of solid carbon steel, built in thick alloy steel pipe to enhance the bearing capacity. The ergonomic design of the Harrison ab wheel roller features 4 wheels with dual gliding capabilities, comprising of high-quality reusable ABS plastic rim upholstered with anti-skid rubber treads for body traction. Harrison ab wheel roller for core workouts is designed to aid your core workouts. It also serves to work your whole upper body, including back, arm, shoulders, and chest muscles in an effective and safe way, significantly strengthening and toning your entire body by hitting your abs, core, torso, shoulders, arms, upper, and burn fat. Number 3. Vinskier ab roller. Rating 4.5. The 3.2-inch dual-wheel ab roller offers extra support and stability compared to the common single ab wheel. Equipped with a knee pad, this ab roller wheel delivers a comfortable workout experience and carrying protection. Just embrace the freedom of more thrilling and challenging routines without the hassle of using resistance bands. The Vinskier abs wheel targets your abdominals, hip flexors, and back muscles. With dedicated practice, this exercise wheel will speed up your core and lower back strengthening while lessening your risk of muscle injury. Unlike big gym machines, heavyweight benches, dumbbells, and the like, the Vinskier ab wheel roller is portable size-wise, a compact design that enables you to take it anywhere to exercise, be it your home, office, gym, or outdoors. Number 2. Demus Fitness ab roller. Rating 4.6. The Demus roller with elbow support engages your entire core with a variety of exercises, including planks, twists, and rolling movements. This multi-dimensional approach ensures faster and more effective results. By incorporating dynamic movements, the Demus abs roller transforms your workout routine into a powerful core strengthening session, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The premium rubber wheel of this roller wheel ensures quiet, controlled movement, making your workout safe and effective on any surface. Enjoy smooth and stable rolling that enhances your exercise routine without causing noise or damage to your floors. Whether on hardwood, carpet, or tile, this roller for core workout glides seamlessly, allowing you to focus on your technique. Number 1. Wonder ab roller board. Rating 4.6. The abs roller features 2-way automatic rebound technology that generates resistance when pushing forward or backward. It also automatically brakes when reaching 5 feet to prevent injuries. Beginners can easily control the roller as it generates power when pulling back. This abdominal wheel offers 3 workout modes suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. You can adjust the resistance devices on both sides for maximum rebound power, turn on one side for less rebound power, or turn off both sides for unassisted rebound exercises. In addition to supporting abs workouts, this ab roller machine can be used for various exercises like ab tuck, ab roller, lower body exercise, bridge, plank, and more. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, See my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.